Hey everyone, we have this Vedaka brand walnut, so let's check it out. So this one is 500-gram pack and this product is available only on Amazon. The link is given in the description box. MRP of this half kg pack is 800, but we got it from Amazon for 449 and it has a shelf life of 4 months. The size of the walnuts is all uniform and the color is on the light brown side. They are all clean without any cracks or holes. Now I tried to crack them open first with my hand, but I couldn't. So I have a trick. I place them between the door and crack them open. You can also use a rolling pin or anything else just to crack them. And here are our cracked walnut. Now the kernel comes out easily. It took me about 15 minutes to remove the kernels from the entire 500-gram pack. And the color of the kernel is golden light yellow side. And the texture is crunchy. Not even a single walnut was bad in the entire pack. No wrinkled pieces, completely fresh, good quality walnuts, and the taste has good crunch, a fresh and nutty flavor. What can I say about the benefits of walnut? Brain health, heart health, good for hair, skin, beneficial for everyone from children to elderly. Great product at a reasonable price, definitely worth trying. Subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.